Okay, 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 okay.
Yes!
Okay, 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 okay.
Yes.
So yan guys, it's a perfect timing for the visit because they're harvesting rice. So you know, can you imagine the hard work of the Filipino farmers, guys? It is manual harvesting, you know. They don't have equipment for the fastest way of harvesting rice in the rice field, you know. So it is manual. And we call it Tagalog mano-mano. Isda. So perfect timing guys because they're harvesting rice field. Ano ni bis tilapia?
Water lily.
Ha? Karona.
Nagko dito?
May water lily.
Manual guys. Because this place is far from the city, so and it's not that big or wide, so they don't need the harvester like you know to become like the fastest way of harvest the machine. So it's manual. Look at that. It's manually, guys. Look at the water lily. So, ano, sige nga, te, ikaw mag-vlog, te. What is that?
This is coconut juice.
Mm.
Good for your health. Very good for your health.
That's my auntie, guys.
5% alcohol.
Oh, yes. So, way back 1990s, guys, in the countryside, we don't have alcohol, you know, so we can't afford to buy alcohol.
Yes.
So, we do have this one. We call it tuba in the Philippines.
Coconut juice.
This is the alcohol.
English.
So, it's not that expensive just before, you know. If you do have coconut tree, so you can get it for free.
Yes. Ibay kayo, no?
Oh,
Let's do fishing, guys. So we do have worm here. Let's see if Janice is good in this one. Look at this. Hala, dito tayo isda. Ay, dito na.
Mapalapit na sila. Okay.
Pakita mo tayo ha. Wala dun. Hindi ba ako tayo? Hindi ba narinig dahil mo? Wala, yun na sila ha.
Ano? Na kagat. Narara mo. Narara. Nan. Ibuin ang gamay, pababa gamay para na. Diyos ko, wag mo nang bitawan. Bira. Ay! Wala. Gamay ba? Sige, rara, sige.
Sige, pinapitik. Sige.
Wag! Okay.
Yes, Dennis, look at this, tilapia.
Say na, ano ba? Hindi nga matanggal ka na siya.
There's another one.
Yes. This is tilapia fish in the Philippines.
Yeah,
In the Philippines.
lucky. Oh my God, there's another one, guys. Yes.
Okay.
Pwede na oy.
Another one tilapia. Bumalik.
Ay, Lami kayo,
Tama
guys.
na, patbilog.
Oh. Kamyas, guys. Get this one. Whoa. This is kamyas in Tagalog. I don't know what's the English of this one, but we're gonna use this for cooking, guys. Like paksiw. It is, you know, this one is sour taste. Gani. Ducks. Many ducks. Hala. Hinog na.
Ano ba sa English na marang?
Hello pa? Marang lang.
Sa English?
Guys, they have marang, guys. This is one of my favorite, guys. Oh my God. Like this. Oh, ito't bunga. Paborito ko gid bala na mo.
Ari pa may iba ka dako bunga.
Oh. Saan? Baw.
Ang rambutan wala pa hinog.
Saan?
Ito, wala pa bunga.
Pero may bunga.
Oh, di
Color
mo.
green.
Yan, Yun pa.
Ito lang lapitan tarabi. Look at that, guys.
Ano mo manok ko kanabong?
Ang manok nga pula.
Puta.
Okay guys, so they have coconut tree guys. It's so small.
Na, sige.
Laba si Mapil ni buo.
Hindi, isa lang na.
Oh my god. Oh my god. Oh my god.
Di ba? Di ba? Na.
La, may langgam. La! Lapit na. Yan. Ibutan lang siya. La, lapit na. Nang pagbiraharay ba si mga ubos.
Oh! Okay, okay.
Yes. Ako sila mabukas karon.
Coconut juice.
Tara te. Tara. Dili tayo, dili.
Jacob! Halika na, Jacob. Una, Jacob. Para makita mo naong dito sa ano. Kabalo ka magkable?
Hindi. Istingon eh. Dali lang.
Oo, pwede.
Hindi, sabaw na ba?
Oo.
Stop, anak.
Naman.
Tiki nagdalag-dalagan. Wala akong kaagi UTI gani pa eh. Oh, wow. Sarap, guys. Kainan na. Ang sabaw.
Ay!
Oh,
Okay.
dahil lang yakon nga. Okay na?
Okay.
Sarap. Sarap da. Ito na, budlay inumon.
Kita mo siya kung bago pa.
Ito tama sa amon, pati ka taas-taas ng lubi, hindi kita mo kakuha.
Wala bunga durian yun dito?
Ambot lang, huwag ko kabalo.
Beke ako buka. Wala pa ni ba niya?
Nara pa damo.
Inom pa ka?
Okay.
Guys, kainan na. Coconut meat. Let's eat this one. Sarap ba? Ulang anin pa siya pang salad.
Oo.
Sipon pa, no? Gusto mo? Ayaw.
Kang kakab?
Ayaw siya. Amo ni ba? Agot mo ga?
Pabsen ko kala edit siya.
Dua naman ni sila.
Sakit siya niya. Hindi na. Sakit ba siya niya?
Ano siya? Wala siya? Wala siya ng eskwela?
Why kayo sakit na siya niya na.
Ito na. Ano ka namin? Tagpila baligya mo sa tong dako nga bilao.
Atong kay Star.
We have calamansi, guys. Oh.
Why ka na edit?
Why ka ba? 33 ka baktin ba?
Wow.
Kalisa.
We have durian. This is the durian, guys. Did you see the durian? That one. Durian. Wow. This one, guys, is lansones, but no bunga.
No bunga.
No fruit, guys. It's still small.
Durian. Ay, wala, di ba? Oh.
So, they have pig, guys.
Wow.
Asan yung iba?
Ang mga patugag mayo.
The ducklings. They have ducklings, guys. Wow. That's it for today, guys. Thank you so much for watching the video. Please do a comment or leave a comment in the comment section where you are watching right now. And don't forget to like and subscribe my channel for more videos, guys. Of course, click the bell all button so you can be notified when I have new upcoming videos or a live stream. Once again, this is Janice the Explorer from Mindanao, Philippines. Thank you so much. Bye-bye.